Hey, I'm going to go over my Stitch Fix box this month and see what I got and see what I want to keep. And sorry if I have a glare from my glasses because I don't have my contacts in, and I've got to read how much each of them are. So I've got this trench coat here. It is by Hawthorne and it is $128. Now, it has a hood. I have a very similar trench coat, so I probably will not be keeping this one, but it does have a hood, and this is a really good price, I feel like, for a trench coat. So since I don't have to like change my clothes, I'll just try that on and see how, it looks. But this particular color is not one of my colors. It doesn't look as good on me. I'll take my glasses off so you don't see the glare for so long. It does feel like it's a nice weight. It's got a really pretty liner. I'll show that to you in a second. But just the color is wrong. If this were a color that looks better on me, that is a beautiful liner. Look at that. And for $128, that is really nice. But the color just doesn't do much for me. Some people it would look fantastic on, but I'm not one of those people. And here's their belt. It's belted. It's a nice belt. If it were a different color, I'd probably keep it, but I am not going to be keeping this one. So I'll be sending it back in the nice little, postage paid bag they give us to send it back in. Okay, so I will not be getting that. I will try on a few of these. I might name the price and everything as I turn them on, show you what they are, and then try them on, and y'all can tell me what you like, what you don't like, all that kind of stuff. Okay, I won't try this on yet, but this is also from Stitch Fix. It's kind of one of the brands, Market Spruce, and it is a ribbed black t-shirt, which it's always nice to have black t-shirts, and I like the ribbed ones. I really like the way ribbed fits. And let's see how much that one is. $55. So we'll see. That's kind of a lot for a t-shirt, but it just depends. If it's a good quality, then it might just work. This is very similar. This is a Michael Stars one, and that's a great group. This is also a ribbed t-shirt. So the Michael Stars one is $78. Oh, that's even more. So I'm going to compare these two, and we'll just see which one fits better, because it's always nice to have black t-shirts, and especially ribbed fit t-shirts. I have tons of jeans. Let's see, this one's Studio Blue. It is a petite size. I'll be trying these on and we'll see what we think of these. Let's see, Studio Blue, mid-rise boot cut. It's $78. So let's see about that. I've got that button caught on something. Let's see what else we've got. We've got another brand we've got. What are these? Another Studio Blue. These are darker denim, and I do like dark denim. These, I wonder if I said the wrong thing last time. These are slant pocket boot cut. Let's see. Studio Blue, slant pocket. No, these are also $78. There's the pocket at the front, so I'll try on some of these and see what we think of that. These are Democracy, and I love Democracy jeans. So these Democracy jeans are the Absolution Itty Bitty Boot, mold and hold. And I have really enjoyed the Democracy jeans. Do you see the stitching on the pocket? It's got a little bit of distress under the tags right there. So we'll see how those fit. Got another pair of jeans here. Gosh, that's 4 pair of jeans. This is also Studio Blue. This is June Western boot cut. Now, I do like boot cut jeans because I kind of have hips and it kind of balances out the hips. These are $78 as well. So that's a good price for jeans. This is another rib top. It's kind of an off-white. It's Market and Spruce. Oh, it was a 2-pack. Oh, so the black and this one, a 2-pack, is $55 for both shirts. Okay, $55 for both of these shirts. So I might be thinking about that one a little more than the Michael Stars one. So, oh, we got another pair of jeans. Now you can usually get 5, but I think you can choose up to 8 if you want. This is another Studio Blues. These are button fly. So let's see, the button fly. Let's see if it tells me the button fly. Studio Blue. It's not talking about the button fly. Oh yeah, $78. So Maddie high rise button fly. Not so sure about the button fly. They do look cool. I used to wear them when I was in college, but you gotta go to the bathroom quickly. The button fly just may be too much. So I don't know, just may be too much work. All right, I'll try them on and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I have on the Market Spruce ribbed tee, which was a 2-pack for $55. So black and this kind of off-white color. And I have on the button fly jeans. So, you know, I do like the shirt. I don't think I'm gonna keep the jeans, even though they're petites, they're still slightly long. I do like the color, but I don't think I can handle the button fly. So, yeah, I'm not gonna keep the jeans, but I think I'm gonna keep the shirts because it's such a good deal on both of the packs. I'll try on more. Okay, I have on the other Market and Spruce ribbed shirt in black and 2 for $55. So I'm gonna see how this compares to the Michael Stars one, but 2 for $55, that's pretty good. And you can always use these basic color t-shirts. These are the petite, and I'm gonna have to look again. Another pair of the Studio Blues petite jeans. I might keep these. I'm not sure. They have a really cool hem on them. They have a wider hem, so that's pretty cool. A little different than something that I have. Once I watch this video and see how my butt looks in them, I'll probably make a decision there. So these are maybe the jeans. I'm probably gonna keep the top, but I'm gonna try on some more clothes. Okay, this is the Michael Stars ribbed black top. And it does feel like it fits a little bit nicer, a little closer, but it's $78 or $77. And those other 2 shirts are 2 for $55. And I really just wear this type of a shirt. Most of the time I wear them under sweaters or under something else. So I don't think I'm gonna keep it, but you know, the Michael Stars shirt is pretty cool. These are their Democracy jeans, and I really do like these. I love the way they fit. They have like a little panel that can hold a pooch in. They come in petite, they come in all kinds of sizes. I really do like the pockets with these. They've got a little stitch right here, but I have to tell you, I think I already have a pair of these. So I won't be keeping them if I already have a pair of these. I'm gonna double check. If I don't have a pair, I'll probably keep them. Okay. Okay, so I have on still the Michael Stars top, but I put on the Brooke mid-rise slant pocket jeans that are a darker indigo color. They're by Studio Blue, so I think this is one of Stitch Fix's brands. $78. I really do like darker jeans, and it's a boot cut, so it does balance out my hips. I'm gonna be watching the video to see how it makes my butt look in them before I decide if I'm gonna keep these jeans or not. All right. Okay, my last pair of jeans to try on. These are also by Studio Blue. They're the Imogene boot cut, and they're a little bit, they're kind of between dark and light indigo color. We'll see how they look before I make a decision if I'll buy them. They're a little lower. They're not as high rise as the other jeans that I tried on. They seem slightly long, and they are petites. I'm about 5'4". So, you know, there you go, there you have it. Okay, I'm definitely keeping both of those shirts. I'm thinking about the dark indigo jeans. I'm gonna check this video out when I edit it and figure out if it makes my butt look weird or not, and then I'll make a decision with the jeans. Stitch Fix has really great deals on clothing, and all of these jeans were $78. So you can always look at that. That's a great price on these jeans, and they're great quality. I loved the coat. It just wasn't my color, so I'm not gonna keep that. I do like the fit of the Michael Stars shirt, but those 2 for $55, I will use those. I will wear them under different outfits and sweaters and jackets and things like that. So I'll probably return the Michael Stars, but I'll keep the other two. Okay, thank you.